Hello! In this tutorial video I'm going to show you how to connect the KinesicMouse Live using an USB cable. This might be necessary if you are in a public network or in a facility and you cannot use the KinesicMouse Live wireless connection because of some firewall and other things that might block the traffic. So if you want to connect your KinesicMouse Live directly to the device you are using, this tutorial shows you how to do that. First, make sure that you have installed Apple iTunes on your Windows computer. So if you go to the Windows bar and type in iTunes, you should see the iTunes app available here. If not, you can download iTunes from the Apple download website. So let's switch to our iPhone. Go to Settings, Personal Hotspot, and allow others to join. Once we have done that, go back to your home screen, and now we connect the USB cable to our iPhone and to our PC. If you get a screen notification to trust the device, you just connect it to accept the dialog. So back on our Windows computer, we go to the Control panel, Network and Sharing Center, change adapter settings, and here you can see that your Apple device created a network interface. We go to right click, status and details, and here under IPv4 you see an address that is important for us to know which IP address the Apple connection has. So let's move that aside and start the KinesicMouse. In our KinesicMouse, you can see that we have to choose the LAN adapter here that the KinesicMouse is going to use. So we choose the same IP address and we're good to go. Now we have to configure the LiveLink Face app to send the data via our Apple network interface. So back at our iPhone, we open the LiveLink Face app. And now we go to the cogwheel up in the left corner, go to LiveLink, and here we add a target. We enter the same IP address from our Apple network, so 172.20.10.8, and add the new target. Now you can see that the KinesicMouse already got connection via USB cable, indicated by this little green smiley here. Now you may want to use the internet connection from your facility to browse data and download websites, and not your Apple shared iPhone connection. So to prefer your stable connection, we can actually do that by going back to the network settings. Right click on your facility internet connection, go to Properties, select the IPv4, again Properties, Advanced, and down here you can see there is a check mark for automatic metric. What we want to do is to prioritize this network connection for internet data. So we delete this check mark here and enter a low number. A lower number means to prioritize this network connection over other networks with a higher number. So my main connection should have a 1. Let's hit OK, OK, close. And now we select the Apple internet connection. Again, go to Properties, IPv4, Properties, Advanced, delete the automatic metric, and now we enter a higher number than we entered before. So let's say, just for safety, we add a 5 here. Hit OK, close, and this is it. You're good to go. Your Windows computer will use the stable connection or the facility connection for internet data, or will try to prefer it. And the KinesicMouse data is still transferred via the Apple network connection. So I hope this video helped you out. Let me know if it works. If you have any questions, go to the forums or contact me via the contact form on the website. See you soon. Bye.